So I now have my trailer back. Cliff's just come up in his little digger and helped me lift the layens hive off the trailer and sat it back where it was, just on the floor. Obviously them bees ain't very happy because yesterday I went through them and took 5 frames of their beautiful golden delicious honey away from them. So they're all on guard, look, on the door. Yeah, so I can take my trailer away now, figure out why this tyre went down. I've just pumped it up, but probably sell this little trailer because when it's on the pickup, look, it's so low at the back. It sits, you can see it, look, it sits really high here and really low at the back, and if I go anywhere too bumpy, the back bottoms out. So I'll probably sell this trailer. It's a good little trailer, but it wants to be on a car because they're mini wheels, they are. It's even got mini hubcaps on. Put them in, take them off and keep them, put them on my truck. Because look, these hubcaps loose now. They have a habit of falling out and they ain't cheap. But yeah, low pressure on that. I think I need some new tyres soon anyway, because the front ones are a bit, well, there's plenty of grip on them. Don't know. Anyway, we'll get this trailer back and out of the way and sorted, cleaned up, jet washed. I need to wash the truck as well because I've got some stickerage. Ah, I've just been stung on the back. I think that was a wasp. Anyway, I'm done. We'll get attacked. Big bird. Big bird.